Good evening po sa ating lahat. We're about to start na po. But before we proceed for our membership orientation for tonight, sabayan niyo po ako na magdasal muna. Let's bless this orientation. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Today, I ask you to bless me so that I may become a blessing. Lord, I commit myself to enrich others, but because I cannot give what I do not have, I commit myself to become rich. I commit myself to serve you and to serve the poor with my wealth. Today, I open myself to the abundance of your universe. Use me as a channel of love. Give me the ability to create wealth that will bless the world. Increase my financial wisdom and expand my territories. I place my life in your hand. In Jesus' name, amen. Proceed na po tayo sa ating pinaka-main topic for tonight. Ito po ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon. I guess medyo slow yung aking internet, pero ayan, so humahabol naman. So this will be our topic for tonight, the secret to saving and building your future, taking control of your money. So especially po ngayon, malapit na naman ang bagong taon. Kaya importante talaga na isabay natin sa paghahanda ay yung financial matters. Importante yan na isabay natin for this coming year. So yan, I'm glad to see you here tonight. I wish na marami akong ma-impart na financial concepts sa pag-attend nyo tonight in this orientation. So I will be your host. I'm Ira Ducot, one of the financial advocate of IMG. I was in the company since 2015. So sobrang blessed and thankful po ako sa pagkakakilala ko kay IMG at sa tao syempre na nagdala sa akin dito dahil napaka big blessing na na-meet ko sa IMG. So without IMG, siguro wala pa rin talaga tayong nasisimulang financial house or solid fundamentals ng ating financial house until now. So, kaya talagang napakaganda na meron tayong kasama sa journey ng pananalapi. Okay, without further ado, ito na tayo, So, building your future, taking control of your money. This is a partnership with IMG International Marketing Group Wealth Academy. So, you are lucky na maging bahagi po kayo ng IMG dahil napakarami po nating training na ginagawa. So, under Wealth Academy, we have different series para mas maunawaan natin at matutunan natin kung ano nga ba talaga ang layunin ng financial literacy. Okay? This is our company, IMG International Marketing Group, and it is established year 2002, So 2002 pa po siya fully launched sa market, okay? So IMG is one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services companies in the Philippines today. So yung mga first timer pong nag-attend dito or baka hindi pa nila masyadong napakinggan about IMG, so sa IMG po ay medyo matagal na rin sa financial industry. Hindi lang po talaga siya masyadong kilala ng mga tao dahil alam niyo naman when it comes to financial education, para sa mga tao boring ito, So pero alam niyo po ba, the moment na naboboring tayo sa isang bagay, doon tayo talaga actually natututo. Pero kapag tayo ay sobrang nasisiyahan lang sa mga bagay-bagay, that means tayo ay nai-entertain lang. Natutuwa tayo physically pero hindi tayo natututo. Okay, so our headquarters ay sa Omnis Prosperity Tower. So kung nasa Pilipinas po kayo, Philippine-based, pwede po nating bisitahin yan. And we also have different financial services or financial centers around Philippines and going worldwide din po tayo. So for more financial centers, pwede po kayong magtanong sa taong nag-invite sa inyo dito. So what we do here, we assist people who wants to help themselves achieve financial security through financial education and building a solid financial foundation. So yun po ang ginagawa natin dito, So take note of the quote, who wants to help themselves? Kasi kahit ano pong effort natin, kung talagang hindi, yung tao is wala pang plano, so mahirap siya. So, but I'm pretty sure kaya kayo nandito sa orientation na to dahil kayo ay nagsisik for something new, for something different na ma-achieve sa iyong financial house. Kaya you are lucky na nandito kayo sa orientation na to ngayon. So we have established partnership with different financial companies in the financial industry. So mamaya po makikita nyo yung mga yan. So we have this mission to help create wealth for families so that there's no family left behind. Kaya po maaaring kayo na mga kamag-anak, inaimbitahan kayo dito ng isa sa mga kamag-anak nyo na member na rin ng IMG. That's because yun po ang ating pinaka-main concept talaga. Na una, maturuan talaga natin, ma-share natin ito sa ating mga kapamilya, mahal sa buhay, malalapit na kaibigan, para syempre, ang naman, di ba, parang napaka ironic na tayo lang yung nakakaalam ng mga bagay-bagay na alam natin makakatulong at makakapagpaunlad sa atin, pero hindi natin siya na-share sa mga taong mahalaga sa atin. Kaya yan ang pinaka-main goal natin. Once we understand what do we do here in IMG, talagang inuuna po natin yung mga malalapit sa buhay natin. So our belief is many people today are financially struggling due to lack of financial information. Di ba? Maraming taong masisipag, sobrang sipag, pero gipit na gipit pa rin sa buhay. So our core purpose is to stop poverty. So this campaign is not easy, pero we believe because of our campaign, financial education, ay maa-achieve po natin ito at mas marami pa tayong ma-reach out na mga individual. So we want to stop poverty and financial illiteracy. Yan po yung campaign natin. So napakaraming mga Pinoy ngayon na marami na nagtatrabaho sa isang pamilya pero kulang, may struggle pa rin. So anong kulang? Syempre, financial education talaga. So we are committed to deliver the world's financial wake-up call that there's no family left behind. Kaya po ginagawa natin itong mga ganitong orientation. Become part of this campaign. So ito po yung campaign na aming ginagawa, and this was the first time we launched financial literacy year 2016. So yan po, sa Malaysia din po yan. And recently, bumalik po ang mga team natin, no, sa Malaysia to launch the 30M by 2030 kasi yung unang launch natin is 1 million lang. So right now, we upgrade or we move to a higher goal na mas ma-reach out pa natin ng mas maraming Pilipino. So we are committed to deliver the world's financial wake-up call that there's no family left behind. So yan po yung campaign natin. Palagi nababanggit na no family left behind. Kaya wag po kayong magtataka kung kayo ay bahagi ng seminar na ito or bahagi ng community ng IMG just because of a person na malapit sa inyo. Kasi yun talaga po ang purpose natin. Okay, so become part of this campaign by signing up through this website, no? So yan po, bibigyan kayo ng link ng taong nag-invite sa inyo dito at isulat nyo lang po ang inyong pangalan at apelyido, email, number, and don't forget to click the box para maka-receive kayo ng mga email. So that's for like acknowledging na kayo ay bahagi na ng campaign na ito. So then register. So ano bang mangyayari once naging part kayo niyan, ano? This is one of the best investment na pwede nyo gawin sa sarili nyo. So di ba, nag-attend kayo ng seminar, wala naman kayong binayaran. It is because you are trying to invest something para sa sarili nyo. Dahil ang pag-attend po ng mga ganitong seminar ay isang malaking tulong na para sa growth ninyo as an individual. Okay? So, invest into yourself, acquire knowledge, business skills, dahil kahit gaano tayo kagaling sa ating trabaho, hindi po tayo payayamanin ng ating trabaho kung tayo ay kulang sa kaalaman tungkol sa pananalapi. So, become your own money manager, take charge of it, huwag po tayong umaasa lang sa mga bangko or okay na tayo na ini-invest ang ating hard-earned money nang hindi natin napag-aaralan talaga kung ano nga ba at paano nga ba talaga yung tamang strategy para yan ay mapalago at maproteksyonan. Okay, so you may have the best financial strategy, but if you don't understand what you are doing, you might end up nothing as well, di ba? So, kaya importante po talaga na unawain natin. And because of that, meron ako ditong few questions that personal assessment lang. So yan po, basically, sagutin niyo siya sa personal niyo kasi kayo at kayo pa rin naman ang nakakaalam ng inyong current financial situation. So number one question here, no, do you have problem paying your bills? So yung bang tipong hindi pa man lang umaabot ang sahuran pero talagang napapakamot ka na sa batok dahil hindi mo alam kung saan mo kukunin yung mga pang-sustain sa mga babayaran na yan. And are you burdened with debt and loan, di ba? So are you in the situation na may pagkakautang? So the only thing that you have to do is makawala dyan. So IMG is one of the vehicles na pwede kayong mag-guide kung paano kayo makakawala dyan. Do you need to borrow money when emergency arises? So do you work hard but still not enough income? Yun ang sinabi ko kanina na nasipag-sipag pero kulang pa rin, kinukulang pa rin. Yung parang binigay mo na lahat pero kulang pa rin, di ba? So do you have difficulty in funding your aging parents and medical needs? One of the causes ng bankruptcy sa atin, sa Pilipinas, ay ang pagkakaroon ng sakit ng isang pamilya or isang member ng pamilya na walang kahandaan. Kasi kung kahit ano pang naipundar, pwede siyang ma-wash out just because of that one sickness. Napakamahal karoon ng karamdaman sa Pinas. So we need to prepare for that. Are your children growing up faster than you can provide for them? So yan. Assist yourself. May mga anak kayo, tingnan natin, ano na bang situation? So, di ba, kayo at kayo nakakaalam kung ano, gipit pa ba or nasusustain lang? Kung nasusustain lang, ibig sabihin, hirap pa rin yan, ano? Kasi survival ang lagay di ba? So, are there times you argue with your spouse over finances? This is one of the reason talaga. Whether admit natin o hindi, maraming situation na nag-aaway ang mag-asawa just because of lack of budget, di ba? So sasabihin na di bali ng walang pera basta masaya, isang malaking kasinungaling yan yun. Kasi kung wala na kayong pambili ng pagkain, ewan ko na lang kung magiging masaya pa rin kayo, di ba? So nakangiti kayong gutom, iba nang ngiti yun. Okay, so are you dissatisfied with the level of success you have now? So masaya ka na ba sa current situation mo ngayon, sa current job mo, sa meron ka? Proud ka ba? Or pwede mo na ba siyang i-transfer o pamana sa iyong loved ones or your families or yung mga anak natin na lalaki rin, di ba? So assist yourself. Kasi kung may mga situation dyan na negative ka pa, of course here in IMG, we have solution. Okay, so this is our solution, the triple E, which is education, execution, and entrepreneurship. Di ba? So sa education, we provide the right knowledge and strategy. We want to end financial illiteracy. Yan po ang pinaka-main goal ng education natin. No? Once you become part of IMG, it is a lifetime sustained education. And then execution, kasi mahirap naman na aral ka lang ng aral, pero hindi mo naman talaga siya na i-execute. So here in IMG, we have the platform para ma-execute natin yan. And entrepreneurship. So most of the people na nakakausap natin, syempre dahil bago pa nga lang, ang palaging rason is walang pera, kulang sa pera, walang budget. So, and because of that, si IMG, meron ding solution. Kaya nga total financial solution tayo. So we offer entrepreneurship kung talagang uunawain natin ang ating ginagawa dito sa IMG, we can earn while we are learning here in IMG. That's the provided entrepreneurship para magkaroon ka ng additional budget. We are living in a fast-changing world, and this changing world requires changing solution. So sabi dyan, a large number of Filipinos will face increasing financial challenges if they fail to know the solution for this changing world. Di ba? Napag-iiwanan. So, ang hirap mag-cope up. So, there's some realities na dapat nating unawain, no? Kasi minsan namimislok natin itong mga ganitong situation, no? So, many families fail financially because of lack of financial education. So, maraming member ng isang pamilya na mga nakapag-aral sila, pero alam mo yon, may ano pa rin, di ba? Walang financial plan, walang solid na plano sa buhay. So, another one, many think that financial education is only for the wealthy. Kaya maraming mahirap na Pinoy dahil iniisip nila, pag narinig nila ang financial education, it seems like hindi para sa akin yan, no? Para sa mayayaman lang yan. Ganun yung thinking nila. Hindi masyadong binibigyan ng chance or binubuksan ang opportunity na aralin muna before complain. So many believe that the only solution for financial problems is to borrow money. 'Di ba, no? Mas mabilis na namang umutang kaysa mag-ipon, no? Sa taong walang disiplina, mas mabilis umutang kaysa mag-ipon. And without knowing na syempre yung panandali ang ginhawa, long term ang dusa. Diba? So many OFWs work hard for 20 to 30 years but still retire poor. Marami po ba kayong nakakausap na ganito or may mga kakilala po ba kayong ganyan ang situation? Diba? So Happy New Year na. Malapit na, isang araw na lang. Yes, isang araw na lang New Year na naman. So dapat isama talaga natin yan sa mga New Year's resolution natin. So could you imagine if you save your 13th month pay for only 6 years, pwede ka palang maging milyonaryo. 'Di ba? So before, wala tayong idea na pwede palang mangyari yan. But here in IMG, kasamahan lang natin ng disiplina and commitment, you can become a self-millionaire. Hindi mo kailangan tumaya sa loto para maging milyonaryo, 'di ba? So it could happen, hindi siya yung imagination lang. So if you think financial education is expensive, try ignorance. Bakit maraming mga naluloko? Bakit maraming mga napupunta sa maling investment? Because they don't want to learn more about financial literacy. Pag may nag-alok ng double your money in like 3 months, kinakagat ka agad nila, pinapatos. So, patitikimin lang sila and then later on mawawala na. Doon na papasok ang financial ignorance. So, knowing basic financial concepts could help us to grow our solid financial future. Okay, so take control of your future. Ikaw lang po ang pwedeng gumawa niyan, wala nang iba. So make money. I'm pretty sure may trabaho tayo ngayon, no? Or gumagawa tayo ng paraan para kumikita, magkakaroon ng income. So we are already making money. Out of that money, anong ginagawa natin? Nagsisave ba tayo? Do we save and grow those money na ini-earn natin? So kung yan ang ginagawa nyo, next step is to protect your money. Dapat puproteksyonan talaga natin yung perang pinaghihirapan natin dahil walang sino man ang mag-iisip ng mga paraan na yan para sa iyo kundi ikaw lang. So kahit marami tayong tinutulungan ng mga mahal sa buhay, ang hihingin lang nila sa atin is tulong. But sorte na siguro sa 1 out of 10 ang may nag-iisip na mabigyan ka ng sukli kapag bumigay ka ng tulong sa kanila, di ba? So importante yon na you take charge of your future talaga. So the X-verb concept, tingnan po natin itong X-verb concept. So dito sa IMG, no? Dito ko lang nakilala na si X pala, hindi siya masama, no? So kasi kapag na-realize mo yung X ng buhay mo, mas magiging wiser ka, 'di ba? Mas magiging matalino ka sa iyong buhay. The way ka mag-manage ng iyong pera, ng iyong pananalapi, ng iyong responsibilities, 'di ba? So paano nga ba 'yon nangyayari? Kasi sa IMG, itinuro sa atin na may 2 linya pala tayo ng buhay, no? So while we are younger, meron tayong mga responsibilities. Sa younger years natin, since masyadong mataas ang responsibilities natin, so basically, less secure talaga tayo. Most stories, wala talagang ipon yan. Walang natitira sa lahat ng sinasahod nila. Diba? So, ano kayang mangyayari kung sa younger years ay hindi ka nag-iipon until older years? Tingnan na lang natin ang situation, diba? So, parang flat pa rin. No? Yung responsibility mo ang taas pero yung money line mo is going down pa rin. Walang ipon eh. So ang bigat noon. So kaya dito sa IMG, pinaparealize sa atin na dapat talaga habang ginagampanan natin yung responsibilities natin, unti-unti nag-iipon pa rin tayo. Kahit pa yung gano'ng kakunti, maglagay ka pa rin sa low o building wealth mo. Kasi yan yung purpose kung bakit ka nagtatrabaho eh. Para magkaroon ka ng enough fund, enough money para sa iyong future self, di ba? bago tayo nagtrabaho, nangangarap tayo na magkaroon ng magandang buhay. Pero usually, ang nangyayari, puro working na lang, no? So ano tawag dito, YOLO, yun. Habang may trabaho, sige, bigay, tulong, garbo sa lahat. And then, marirealize natin, nagkakaedad na, wala pa rin palang ipon. But it's not too late, no? So kung kayo ngayon ay medyo nasa like early 40s, is still not too late. Pwede naman natin yung i-double time. So, ang kailangan lang natin is to prepare. Magbigay talaga tayo ng kahit gaano kaliit yan, maglagay pa rin tayo sa ating wealth bucket para in the future na tayo tatanda, fully secured tayo. Dahil 2 ifs of life ng buhay natin, die too soon and live too long. Dapat parehas tayong may protection dyan sa situation na yan. So, you must take care of your responsibilities while building your wealth. So, yung ifs of life ay hindi po natin alam kung kailan yan. So, it's still better na meron tayong preparation, di ba? So, yan, that is one of the concept na ibinabahagi natin dito sa IMG. And another one is building your solid financial foundation. So, katulad daw pala ng pag-build up ng ating pananalapi is like building a house. Wala namang bahay na tinayo kaagad yung bubong, di ba? Talagang nagsisimula siya sa pundasyon, sa lupa. Di ba? Ididig yung lupa, lalagyan ng bato, buhangin, bakal at saka semento para super tibay. So, ganun din pala dapat sa ating financial house. Simulan natin sa kung sino talaga ang kumakayod, sino talaga ang breadwinner. And the breadwinner will be you. Ikaw yun kasi ikaw ang nandito, di ba? So, dapat meron kang healthcare. Importante yun. Healthcare, dahil yan ang magiging kakamping mo during the time na ikaw ay medyo nagre-reunite na sa iyong mga arthritis, di ba? Yung mga kaibigan natin. Kasi pag tayo nagkakaedad na, whether we like it or not, talagang mararamdaman natin yan. Kahit set aside natin yan, gusto pa rin yan umistay beside us. Wala tayong option. So, dapat meron tayong healthcare. And also, protection. And that is what we call life insurance. So, dapat, if you are the breadwinner, meron ka rin pong life insurance. Kasi, lahat ng pamilya mo umaasa sa'yo. So, what if something happened to you? Kanino sila aasa? And life insurance will be the replacement income para makapag-sustain sila continuously. And debt management. So, sa debt management, tinuturo po dito sa IMG, kung kayo ay nasa situation ng pagkakautang ngayon, meron po tayong series of trainings, slowly, para po tayo ay makawala dyan. And of course, emergency fund. Dapat we have to create 3 to 6 months of emergency fund dahil para hindi tayo mababaon sa pagkakautang ulit just in case na magkakaroon ng emergency. Usually kasi, no? Usually, mayroong emergency pero walang fund. So, anong nangyayari? Talagang mapupunta sa pagkakautang. And kung meron na tayong na-build up dyan sa mga financial foundation na yan, that's the only time na dapat mag-focus tayo sa mga investment. But, oppositely, ang common mindset ng Pinoy, no? Invest agad. Once na nagka-income, invest talaga kaagad-agad. So, this is the reason why do you need to consider healthcare and protection as your priority. Reality check, no? Even you save a few hundred pesos a month, kulang pa rin yan. Once na tayo magkaroon ng karamdaman, isang check-up pa lang magkano na? 1,000, di ba? I don't know kung saan tayo aabutin. Depende na lang kung gaano karami talaga yung ipon mo. Unlike, meron kang healthcare, at least ito yung pwede mong maging guarantee kung just in case na magkakaroon ng medical crisis. When you get sick, disabled, or die suddenly, your savings won't last very long. Parang kikislapan lang yan. Kaya napaka-importante na getting long-term healthcare and life insurance is one of the best investment. Bakit ang mayayaman, hindi sila naghihirap kapag just in case na yung breadwinner nila ay nawala. Katulad ng may-ari ng SM, di ba? Until next generation, na ipapasa pa rin yung kanilang yaman. Kasi, importante ang pag-i-invest sa kanila ng life insurance. Lahat ng mga ari-arian nila merong insurance. And that's how money works para sa mga mayayaman. Kaso tayong mga mahihirap, talagang na-stuck tayo sa old belief. Kaya dapat we make a difference now, di ba? So, ayan, another example, no? Kung tayo magkakaroon ng kakaramdaman, ay it's either nasa ganitong situation ang mapupuntahan natin. So, mamili ka lang saan mo gustong pumunta, charity, payward, or executive. As usual, no, sa charity, syempre, kunti lang yung gagastusin mo dyan. Makakamura ka sa mga gamot, di ba? Pero ang sigurado, mapapamura ka din sa tagal ng paglapat ng gamot, di ba? So, kung just in case emergency na, pila ka muna. So, anong mangyayari? Baka imbis na gumaling pa, natuluyan na, di ba? So, but if we prepare for our healthcare right now, while we are young, at least young and healthy, may income, i-prepare na natin yan. At least in the future na magkakaroon tayo ng emergencies, we have the opportunity to choose. May option tayo, no? Kung emergency yan, may option tayo na mamili kung saan tayo pwedeng magpa-admit, especially kung talagang emergency na, di ba? Kasi sa Pilipinas, hindi ka naman i-admit ng hospital kung wala kang panggarantiya, especially kung down payment, like that. Pero kung mayroon kang HMO na tinatawag or we call it healthcare, so yan, mabilis pong na-accept yan sa mga hospitals. Okay? So take consider of this one, the final test about good healthcare. Titingnan po natin tong four cornerstone na to, no? Dapat it should have short-term healthcare, long-term healthcare like insurance, savings, and investment. So dapat po titingnan natin yung apat na component na yan kapag tayo ay mag-a-avail ng isang healthcare. So kung wala, isa po dyan sa mga yan ay wala, pag-isipan muna natin, huwag tayo kaagad-agad mag-grab kasi marami pang services, product and services na nasa market na we can choose. And good thing about sa IMG, meron tayong in-offer na savings plan or healthcare protection na merong four cornerstone. Sinasagot lahat ng mga kailangan pagdating sa pagpili ng magandang healthcare protection savings plan. So ito po siya. This is a very good program which is 7 years to pay lang, no? 7 years to pay and then waiting ka na ng maturity. We called it also Kaiser 3-in-1. Sinasabing ipon na walang tapon dahil lahat ng unaccumulated or tawag dito mga binabayad natin or benefits natin na hindi nagagamit ay nag-accumulate po siya. Kaya siya nag-grow, lumalaki ng husto. So just like for the example, dito sa K100 plan natin, ang contract price po nito is 411,750 pesos. So that's the whole contract. Pero hindi po niya ito in-spot cash because you have the option kung paano mo siya babayaran. So ang installment niya, ang ginawa is annual which is 58,821 pesos. Doon siya papata. And ito po yung pinaka gusto kong ipakita sa inyo na mga extra benefits niya. No? Kasi ito yung nagustuhan ko dito eh. Nagbabayad ka pero may nakukuha ka na kaagad or may nabe-benefit ka na kaagad, may balik na sa'yo. So ilang taon ka bang nagsisave sa bangko na hindi ka naman binigyan ng bangko ng privilege na magpa-general check-up, di ba? Ni minsan wala. Bibigyan ka lang ng lapis, umbrella, or like planner every year. So dito sa IMG, once you become a plan holder of Kaiser, you have the pre-annual physical examination benefit. Yearly po yan. So especially kung OFW ka, pag umuwi ka ng Pilipinas, i-maximize mo po yan. Imagine, nagsisave ka every month and you have entitlement sa APE nang wala ka pong babayaran. Napakaganda ng APE na yan dahil talagang buong katawan mo, cardiogram, basta, ang dami po niyan. Kaya, kung susuma total mo, yung binabayad mo sa monthly mo, pag ikaw ay nagpa-APE, kulang na kulang. Parang 1/4 lang ata ang value niya. Okay? So, dental health benefit naman, no? So, sa dental health benefit natin, pwede tayong magpa-cleaning ng walang bayad, no? Coordinate sa taong nag-invite sa inyo dyan. Walang bayad and ang bunot din po niyan ay free. So, gusto nyong i-maximize ang free dental, pagbunot natin lahat ng ipin, enjoy, di ba? Tapos, pa-pulse na lang tayo. So, kidding aside, members choice room o board, meron po tayong allocation dito na 1,000 per day. Yan, 1,000 per day. So, annual health benefit limit, 60,000 per year. Kung hindi po nagagamit yung 60,000 na yan, anong resulta nun? Maganda po ba o pangit? Kasi hindi enjoy yung 60,000. Sa tingin nyo, maganda ba yun o pangit? Di ba? So, dalawang situation yan. Ako, ipagpapasalamat ko kung hindi ko nagamit yung annual physical benefit limit na yan. Dahil ibig sabihin, no, healthy po kayo, hindi kayo nagkaroon ng sakit. Another thing is hindi po mawawala yan, nag-accumulate yan. And that's the beauty of long-term healthcare. So, yung mga benefit na hindi nagagamit, nag-accumulate. Pero sa short-term, kapag merong allowance, wag na, ayaw mo muna. Okay, so tawag dito, sa yung allowance natin na 60,000 ay nag-accumulate. Diba? So, sa long term, sa short term, yan po ay nawawala, napupurpit, walang mababalik sa inyo kahit piso. So, basic medical health benefit, yan, kasama yan, waiver of installment due to death and credit of life. So, for example, si plan holder ay nakabayad ng 3 beses lang, no? 3 beses or kahit nga 1 beses lang eh. As long as, syempre, di ba nga, ifs of life, hindi natin alam. So, once something happened to the plan holder, yan po ay mapupuli paid na. Kasi may waiver of may waiver of installment siya. Mapupuli paid na siya and then the policy will be transferred to the first beneficiary. So depending on kung siya na wala ng buhay, it's accident or natural, no? Yes, tama 'yon. Basta hindi lang lapse. So baka naman nagbayad ng 1 beses tapos lapse na, wag ganun. So dapat po i-continuous natin dahil para yan sa inyo, para sa inyo yan, no? So term life insurance coverage for 20 years. So just in case the accident ang nangyari sa plan holder, the term insurance will be doubled. So sa example na to, I think around 900,000 pag na-double. So 1 million again, di ba? So napakaganda ng program na to. So kaya yung mga wala pa po, kumuha kayo nito. I recommend, I suggest na napakagandang savings plan nito. At yung mga meron naman, continue nyo po. Ipaglaban nyo yan dahil pwede kayong hindi ipaglaban ng inyong mga jowa, pero si IMG at Kaiser, ipaglalaban kayo. Hawakan nyo lang, panghawakan nyo lang. Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder Program. So yan na po. And could you imagine, 7 years ka lang nag-pay. And pagdating after ng 20 years, ito na po yung total accumulation period niya. 1,166,169 pesos na yung total money mo. So could you imagine, no? So dito mag-iipon ka lang, pwede ka pa lang, pwede kang makaipon at pwede kang maging milyonaryo. So sino magbibigay sa inyo sa employment ng ganyan? 1 million, di ba? Kahit nga 10 years ka nang nagtrabaho, hindi ka bibigyan ng ganyang kalaking halaga. Hindi ka makakaipon dahil punong-puno ka ng responsibility. Pero you're very lucky dahil nandito kayo ngayon sa orientation na to. Apply nyo lang, take action, and kapit sa pangarap. Okay? So yan na po, si Kaiser is 3-in-1. Meron po siyang investment, healthcare, and life insurance. So ito yung tinatawag natin or ito yung recommended natin na investment for individual na wala pa talagang nasisimulan. Okay, so kasi marami po tayong level of investment as well. And as you go through the trainings here in IMG, mauunawaan niyo po yan. Okay, so complete financial plan. Kung ganito na yung complete financial plan na meron kayo, congratulations. So this is the basic na dapat meron kayo, no? So investment, life insurance, and healthcare. Dahil yan ay sumasagot sa ating buhay pinansyal. So what if I die too soon? Ang sagot dyan is life insurance. So that it will take care of your family kung tayo ay mawawala, sila yung magpapalit or sila yung magiging instant breadwinner, no? Kasi instant money yun. So what ipilig tulong naman, ang kailangan natin dyan is investment and healthcare para sila yung kaakibat natin at mag-aalaga sa atin in the future. Okay, so sa mga sa mga hindi pa kumpleto ang solid financial house or wala pa ng complete financial plan, mag-start kayo ng Kaiser ha. Kasi si Kaiser ay 3-in-1 na. So okay, so life insurance, let's proceed for this topic. While this topic is not fun, di ba? Usually, ang mga tao pag narinig or anong tawag dito, pag na-operan sila or nabanggitan sila ng salitang life insurance, parang na-open, ayaw nilang pag-usapan dahil ang iniisip nila ay bakit mamamatay na ba ako? Di ba? No? So may mga ganong mindset. So kailangan nating tulungan sila na maunawaan that life insurance is need para mas ma-strengthen yung ating financial foundation. Okay, so you work hard. Let's say, for example, you work hard because you have big dreams for your family. What if something happened to you? Lahat sila nakaasa sa'yo. So, sino na ngayon ang magpo-provide para sa kanila? Di ba? So, that's the rule of life insurance. It seems like, sa isang nangungupahan ka ng bahay, no? Di ba? Kung wala ka pang sariling bahay talaga, is magre-rent ka muna kasi wala ka pang sariling bahay. But, while you are renting, di ba? While you are renting, dapat dahan-dahan nag-iipon ka na rin para makaipon ka ng pampapagawa or makabili ka ng sarili mo talagang bahay. So, ganun din sa life insurance. Kung wala ka pang totally naiipong pera, kailangan mo ng life insurance. Pero, kung let's say for example, you have goal na makaipon ka ng 5 million, kung meron ka ng 5 million talaga, you don't need to buy life insurance. Pero kung wala pa, you have to acquire life insurance. So most people have adequate protection on their cars, but you have enough for their loved ones. Diba? Importante sa kanila yung sasakyan, pero yung nagdadrive, hindi mahalaga. Diba? So sa Pilipinas, kung ikaw ay may sasakyan, hindi ilalabas siya ng kalsada ng hindi insured. Diba? So could you imagine, ang 1 million coverage is 20,000 lang per year. Tapos yung driver, walang insurance. Samantalang, pwede rin siyang mag-avail ng 1 million life insurance sa halagang 7,400 lang at the age of 35 years old. So, di ba, ang laki-laki pa ng sukli at saka mas mura pa siya. Pero, mas mura yung insurance ng tao, pero mas mahal ang buhay ng tao, di ba? So, mas importante yun. Kaya lang, mas naniniglect. Hindi siya napaprioritize. So, kailangan talaga nating mapaunawa muna kung ano ba ang importance ng life insurance. So, understand first because buying life insurance is charged to you. So, there's no pre-lunch. Tandaan po natin yan. So, manage your debt. So, once you become an IMG member, meron po tayong different series for debt management. Sabi nga dyan, you can never be truly free until you are debt-free. So, di ba? Nakakabawas ng kaligayahan kasi para kang palaging may aninong nakasunod, di ba? Tatago ka sa mga taong pinagkakaatrasuhan mo. So, important about that is makawala tayo sa kadena ng pagkakautang. Once you become an IMG member, we have workshop para dyan, debt management. And yan, magsisimula po yan once na naging member na kayo. So, built-in emergency fund, this is the ideal emergency fund na dapat meron kayo. 3 to 6 months of your salary. Okay? So, bakit kailangan natin mag-ipon? So, syempre, para hindi tayo mababaon sa sa utang ulit. Kaya kasi nga, 'di ba, ang purpose na natin is makawala sa pagkakautang. So, dapat mag-create tayo ng emergency funds. Hindi naman kailangan agad-agad 3 months, no? Agad-agad. So, of course, sa mga first timers, simulan po natin ng konti. Importante, meron tayong sineset aside na. Okay? You're not about to die. It's just a preparation. That's correct. Yeah. So, but usually many people don't understand what is the purpose of life insurance, kaya nami-misinterpret nila. And that is the goal of IMG campaigners or missionaries to spread financial education. Okay? So, are you a type of person na napakasipag pero pagdating ng sahuran, palaging tinatanong, saan kaya napunta ang pera ko? Di ba? So, ganun na lang yung natatanong natin sa ating sarili. Kasi hindi na alam, lumipad na lahat ng sahod. So, dito sa IMG, once you become an IMG member, bago pa dumating ang sahod mo, may allocation na yan in the right basket, di ba? So, but of course, yung mga taong wala pa sa IMG, mga first time maka-attend o makarinig ng ganitong orientation, baka ito yung formula na ginagawa nila. Trabaho, salary, and bayad ng expenses. Kung may matira, saka magsisave. But the question, may natitira ba? Sa mahal ng mga bilihin ngayon, talagang kulang na kulang pa yung kinikita, di ba? Di ba? So, anong gagawin natin? We need to upgrade our saving formula. Kailangan baguhin natin yung pamamaraan ng pag-iipon para masigurado natin na talaga tayo ay may maitatabi, gawin natin ang prosperity formula. So prosperity formula, ito yung nire-recommend natin as an IMG member or sa mga first time makapakinig nito. 100% of your income, minus na po natin kaagad yung pagpapasalamat. Okay? So tayo ay binigyan ng kalakasan, biyaya na makapagtrabaho at makapag-provide or magkaroon ng kita, di ba? So, dapat ibalik po natin ang pasasalamat na yan. 10% of your income, give it as a love offering. Okay? So, next is pay yourself. Save 20% of your salary. Huwag nating bayaran yung sarili natin na bayad na nagdi-depreciate ang value. Dapat yung nag-appreciate. Hindi yung, I deserve this. So, merong nakurso na dahang magandang bag, luxury bag, di ba? Mga luxuries, pero after 3 to 5 years, nag-depreciate na yung value. So dito sa IMG, we teach you how to save and invest correctly for yourself na in the future ay mas tumataas ang value. And then e-cost is 70%. That's the only portion na dapat na ginagastos natin. So, another question, yung iba, di ba? Siyempre, kulang pa nga sa discipline kasi kaka-attend pa lang ng orientation ngayon, di ba? Katulad mo. So what will you do if 70% is not enough? Doon na papasok ngayon yung ating entrepreneurship or otherwise, maghigpit pa rin kayo. You can increase your income or reduce expenses pa rin. Okay? So, sa Bible nga, tinuturo na kaagad sa atin, kahit noon pa, di ba? Life is a constant cycle. May mga pagbabago. Kaya, dapat unawain natin yan. Sabi nga dyan sa Genesis 41 to 47, God told us that life is a constant cycle. Ayan na, di ba? Umiikot ang mundo. That we live in a world of duality. Kaya dapat may preparation tayo. May taas, may baba. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon tayo ay nasa taas, nasa ibabaw. Kung tayo ay nakakaangat ngayon, kumikita ng malaki, baka hindi po forever yan. No? So dapat magtabi na tayo ngayon pa lang. God also revealed to us how to cope up with the constant cycle in this changing world. And also, sabi dyan sa Genesis 41:34 to 36, keep 1/5 of the crops during the 7 years of plenty. Ito po yung nangyari sa Egypt na nagkaroon ng 7 years of famine, nakapag-survive sila at nakapagbigay pa sila ng tulong sa mga kapit country dahil nag-ipon sila. And that is 20%, equivalent almost 20% of your income. At maiahalin tulad din po natin yan sa atin personal na pananalapi. Habang tayo ay kumikita, mag-ipon tayo dahil hindi tayo forever na malakas. Okay? So it was not training when Noah built the ark, fix the roof while the sun shines. Hindi po pwedeng bumabagyo na saka pa lang natin tatakpan yung ng lalagyan, dadagan na ng goma yung bubong para hindi ilipad. So dapat bago pa man lang dumating yung bagyo ay nagawa na natin yan. And that is the challenges in our life naman. Okay? Plan for what is difficult while it is easy, sabi ni Sancho, para hindi tayo nagpapanik. Okay? So how are you doing so far? Let's say, for example, 10 years ka na pong nagtatrabaho and you're earning 300,000 annually. So, supposed to be meron ka ng 3 million, no? Kumita or nag-income ka na ng 3 million in 10 years of working. So, the question, magkano po ang nasave natin sa milyones na yan? Diba? So, sino dito mga nagtrabaho na ng 10 years, naka-experience na ng 10 years na pagtatrabaho? Try to check your pocket right now. Kapain nyo nga. Diba, no? Kapain nga natin, meron na ba tayong mga milyon dyan? Diba? It's not what you earn that counts, it's what you keep. Tandaan po natin, kahit gaano tayo kasipag, gaano tayo kalaki ang kinikita, kung hindi natin yan napapalago ng tama, yan ay maaaring mawala. So, you're very lucky na nandito na kayo sa community ng IMG. So, kapit lang po, no? So, tuloy natin yung mga pag-aaral and take action. So using the rule of 72, ito yung compounding interest na tinatawag. So malalaman natin kung gaano nga ba talaga nagtatrabaho ng tama ang ating pera using the rule of 72. This is a general formula when it comes to financial industry. This is inspired by Albert Einstein. Sabi dyan, 72 divided by the interest rate na binibigay ng financial vehicle sa inyo. The number will be the years na dodoble ang inyong pera. Okay, so for example, nag-open ka ng savings account mo sa bangko and then the bank give you 1%. But actually, wala na pong 1% na binibigay ang bangko ngayon. Siguro, kung time deposit, maybe 1 to 4% bibigyan pa kayo. Paano kung ano lang, common savings lang or deposit money, di ba? You open savings bank account in the bank with 10,000 pesos. Using the rule of 72, kailan dodoble yung pera mo? 72 divided by 1%. After 72 years. After 72 years pa siya, magiging 20,000. Kung after 72 years pa at ilang taon na po kayo ngayon, i-add nyo. So that will be the time na magiging 20,000 yung pera nyo. So sa tingin nyo kaya, nakaka-enjoy pa kaya yung pera ngayon? Kakasya pa kaya yung pambili ng bigas, no? Sibuyas pa nga lang ngayon, 30 pesos na isang piraso, di ba? Ilang sibuyas lang mabibili mo nun? Isa. In the future. Okay, so another example, nag-invest na naman sa 2%, and 8%, 12%. This is a set of example, no? Different interest rate. At the age of 29 years old, meron kang 100,000 and you're aiming to grow your money. Nilagay mo siya sa 2%, magiging doble siya pag edad mo ng 65 years old. Pero kung makikita mo yung financial vehicles na bibigay sa'yo ng 8%, at least, pag edad mo ng 65 years old, meron ka ng 1.6 million. Dito sa IMG, nakikita natin, we have the opportunity na makapag-invest sa mga 12% na yan, di ba? So at the age of 65 years old, yun ang plan mo mag-retire. Nakikita nyo ba kung gaano kalaki yung difference? Di ba? 6.4 million. So bakit yumayaman ang mga mayayaman? Dahil alam nilang magtrabaho ang pera para sa kanila. At tayo, na mga common manggagawang one, di ba? Tamang trabaho lang, pero yung pera, hindi nagtatrabaho para sa atin, di ba? Kaya ugod-ugod na sige pa rin ang trabaho. So basically, people who don't understand how money works, they end up working hard for the money until their retirement. Samantalang, people who understand how money works, they let money work for them. Kaya hindi sila kailangan alam mo yun, maybe nag-invest sila ng hardworking time within few years, pero after that, pera na ang nagtatrabaho para sa kanila. Gusto nyo ba yung ganon? Di ba? Yung pwede na kayo mag-travel ng hindi kailangan na may amo, di ba? So kaya nyo nang mag-provide for yourself because money already work for you, di ba? So 6.2 million is equivalent to 31 years salary of someone who earns 200K annually. Imagine, no? 31 years kang kailangan magtrabaho para magkaroon ka ng 6.2 million. And kaya mo bang i-invest lahat yan? Di ba? So hindi ka nakakain, hindi ka na maliligo, walang bilibili ng shampoo, wala ka na rin bilibili ng damit, no? Wala nang toothpaste para walang bawas yung salary mo para makaipon ka ng 6.2 million. Kaya mo bang gawin yun? Di ba? Ang hirap nun. So ano lang yan, strategy lang ang kailangan natin gawin. So people, alright, so ito yung example, no? This time, maaring lahat tayo dito, most of us, no? We work hard for the money. So ang goal natin dyan, in the future, the money is working for us. So sasakay-sakay na lang tayo sa mga dividends, mga interest ng mga perang in-invest natin. Okay? So once you become an IMG member, ikaw ay magiging shareholder. No? Automatic meron ka ng investment sa mutual fund. Samantalang if you kilala mo ang savings plan, ang savings vehicles mo ay bangko lang, ang tawag sa iyo ay depositor. Okay? So si bangko ang pwedeng magka-interest ng 12%, samantalang ikaw napakababa lang ng ibinibigay. So privilege of being an IMG member, you can become part of these companies, di ba? Kung before, consumer ka lang ng mga companies na to, once you become part of IMG, you can become a shareholder or part owner of these companies dahil investor ka na po. And this is one of the privilege or benefits as an IMG member. And another one, pwede ka rin pong, ayan, so zero entry fee tayo. Ibig sabihin, walang bawas yung ini-invest natin or itinatap up natin. And yan, marami po tayong seminars for this para mas maunawaan pa po natin. No? So sa mga first timer or hindi pa masyadong nauunawaan how it works, don't worry kasi marami po tayong seminars na ginagawa para dyan. And this is another level of investment, direct trading. Kung gusto naman po natin mag-direct trading, buy and sell sa PSE, meron din po tayong platform. And this is also one of the benefit as an IMG member dahil provided din po ang seminars dito sa investment na to. But we don't recommend this kind of investing sa mga first timer pa lang po at saka walang idea how it works, no? Kasi ayaw natin na masayang ang inyong pera. Kaya become a shareholder, mag-start po tayo sa mutual fund and then attend the mga seminars. Kapag naunawaan natin, then you can go straight to, may partner po tayo dyan, yung MyTrade. Okay, so It requires a lot of time and knowledge po kasi. So kung hindi natin naunawaan yan, baka masayang yung ating pera. And we don't want to lose your money, di ba? Kaya nga tayo dito nag-educate para maprotektahan natin yung bawat sentimong pinaghihirapan. Okay, preserve your estate. Importante rin po ito, no? Kapag marami na tayong mga naipundar, so baka marami ka ng mga house in lot, di ba? Meron ka ng mga lupa na naipon sa paso. So importante, lagyan natin ng pangalan bawat isang paso para kanino ba yung mga yan, di ba? Who will inherit all your bank's account as well. So before IMG po, ang dami kong ATM, ang dami kong bank account. So kasi akala ko kasi pag marami kang ATM, mapera ka, no? Sounds rich or looks rich, di ba? Look rich. Pero nung naunawaan ko po ang IMG, I only have two account para sa ITF ng anak ko and transactions. And meron din naman po tayong binibigay na Visa card sa IMG, di ba? So I regret na ginawa ko yun before. But of course, dahil hindi pa po tayo educated that time, no? So, yung pala, bawat pangalan na binubuksan nyo sa bangko, bawat bangko, nagbabayad po kayo ng tax. O, di ba? So, kinakain yung pera nyo. Kaya kung marami kayong ATM dyan ngayon sa wallet nyo, tingnan nyo na kung alin na yung pwedeng i-dispose, okay? So, can you avoid family arguments over your belongings and keepsakes? Di ba? Maraming magpapamilya ang nag-aaway-away because of, mana. So, walang kahandaan ng magulang kung para talaga kanino yun. Kaya, agaangkinan. So lumalabas ang mga kabaitan dahil sa ganyang situation. So do you have funds to pay estate tax? And importante po ito. Any property na hindi nalagyan ng last will and testament, kung ang may-ari ay yumao, napakamahal po ng bayad. Estate tax na tinatawag. So okay, so we're about to finish. Take action and secure your future. So sa dami po ng itinakil natin ng mga concept, so you should take action. Huwag lang po nating sayangin ng pakikinig because we are not aiming for entertainment here. So we want you to execute kung ano man yung mga natututunan natin. So you always have an excuse not to save and invest, but no matter what your excuse is, naku, isang araw na lang, 2023 na. At tatanda na naman po tayo. Lahat tayo nagdadagdag ng edad, di ba? So kumusta naman, di ba? So that's reality na kailangan nating paghandaan. No matter what your excuse is, your child will grow up and enter college and you would need money for his or her education. So, yung may mga anak po dito na maliit pa, elementary pa lang, sobrang laki nyo. Sobrang laki nyo to start the savings plan or educational plan para sa kanila. Dahil pagdating ng panahon, siguradong pasasalamatan nila kayo. Kaya wag nyo sayangin yung panahon. No matter what your excuse is, you will eventually retire and stop making active income. Whether we like it or not, yung mga amo natin, kapag nakikita na hindi na tayo productive, pwede nila tayong palitan. Diba? Diba? Kayang-kaya nila tayong palitan. Ang tanong, ready ka ba? Diba? Ready ka na ba na mapalitan ng walang tawag dito, walang paabiso? Diba? Uso yun eh. Bigla ka nang tatanggalin sa trabaho ng walang paabiso. Kaya mag-ipon. So you have to be prepared for these kinds of situation. Be with a group of people who inspires you. When the members of your group save, they will also inspire you to save. Importante ang environment at saka circle of friends pagdating sa ganitong goal. Kasi sabi nga dyan, di ba, no? Kung meron kang 5 kaibigan, no? 5 kaibigan, ang habit nila is uminom, mag-shopping, magala, no? Mag-yosi, ganun sila, no? Ikaw si pang-anim, trying to be different, no? Pero hindi mo pinapalitan yung environment mo. Sila pa rin yung kasama mo. 'Di ba? So, anong mangyayari if you're trying to become different pero sila pa rin yung mga kasama mo? 'Di ba ang hirap? So, it's either sasabihin nila, napaka-killjoy mo naman, hindi ka marunong makisama. So of course, dahil friend mo sila, makikisama ka and you belong to their habits. Diba? Kaya importante yung habits and environment, diba? Baguhin natin. If you think hindi sila nakakatulong sa pag-attain ng ating goals, it's sin na iwasan muna natin sila. At the meantime, iwasan muna natin sila habang binibuild up natin ang ating sarili. Find a group or people na pwedeng makatulong sa iyo na gawin yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. And then later on, katulad ng mission natin dito sa IMG, na babalikan natin sila. Siyempre, importante sila sa atin. Mahal natin sila as a friend, as a family. So, we will try our best na madala din natin sila sa community na nakita natin. Okay? So, I hope I'm giving a lot of idea or na-inspire ko kayo sa mga tinakil nating mga tinakil nating concept tonight. So IMG's mission is to convert people from being a spender to saver and to teach them how to save the right way. So yan po ang gagawin natin. So get started. This is the recommended actions na dapat yung gawin. So start to diversified. If you want to start building up your financial house, ito lang yung kailangan natin i-consider. Dapat may growth, dapat may safety, may healthcare, and insurance. That is the core cornerstone in having a good investment. Kaya kailangan po titingnan natin yun. So here in IMG, we have the realistic investment options. Pwede kang mamili kung saan ka magsisimula. But always consider the four cornerstone. So you can start with the stock market. Gusto ng mas mataas na growth, stock market, risky, pero mataas ang balik. No? At kapag na-lose ka rin, mataas din ang lose mo. Diba? So it requires a lot of learning, training, seminars para maunawaan mo kung paano nagtatrabaho ang stock trading. And another one is mutual fund. So luckily, once you become an IMG member, automatic mutual fund investor ka na kaagad dahil meron na tayong initial investment sa Soltivo IMG. Okay? So meron siyang growth, pooled funds managed by our experts. Kung sa tingin nyo hindi ka pa expert, no? Wala kang idea about investing, so just become member of IMG and we have the expert that will manage your money. So hindi ka na mahihirapan ng gusto, hindi sasakit ang ulo mo kasi busy ka pa sa pagti-TikTok, 'di ba no? So at least hindi mo papabayaan yung pagti-TikTok mo. 'Di ba? So nag-i-invest ka and then nagti-TikTok ka pa rin, okay lang, 'di ba? So another one is Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare. So si Kaiser, 3-in-1 po siya, meron siyang safety, growth at health insurance. Kaya napakaganda niyang panimula sa pag-build up ng iyong solid financial foundation. And another one is Most 18. 3-in-1 naman siya. We have this safety, growth, and insurance. So kung kailangan nyo ng mas mataas na coverage ng insurance, Most 18 is a very cheap insurance pero greater coverage ang ini-offer nila under Manila Bankers. So know the risk when you invest in stock market and mutual fund. And lucky that one of the benefit being an IMG member ay provided tayo ng mga seminars. So aside from those na nabanggit kong benefit, meron pa po tayong mga benefits na nandito. Iiwanin ko po itong video na to for you to see more of the benefits as an IMG member. Okay, so ayan.
Financial Education Enterprise, strategically partnered with the world's leading providers of financial products and services, introduces its top benefits offered exclusively to its growing list of members. Free exclusive financial education through the financial ebook, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Free exclusive financial e-workbook, The Financial Foundation Educational Program. Make money work for you through financial e-workshops. Increase your cash flow and debt management. Learn to build a strong financial foundation, proper protection. Know how to build your wealth and gathered assets. Get to know your plans for retirement and wealth preservation and learn to build your business in the financial industry. Free financial checkup to diagnose your financial health. Exclusive course fee discounts for the Associate Financial Planner Certification Program in partnership with Registered Financial Planner. Reap tons of free gifts from IMG's partner companies. Up to 300,000 pesos of personal accident insurance from Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation. Exclusive access to Fidelity Life, a mutual benefit association exclusive for members with 50,000 life insurance coverage and 24/7 memorial concierge services. Exclusive free gifts with Vision Care. Now more accessible to all members anywhere in the world. Get your free IMG and Kaiser frames through the IMG portal. Free unlimited consultation and discounted medical services for members and their immediate family members through IMG's exclusive partnership with Kaiser Medical Center. Become an automatic mutual fund investor through the IMG Soltivo Strategic Growth Fund in partnership with Rapper Financials. Get exclusive access to IMG's partner industries. Exclusive access to the best long-term, short-term, and senior care services from Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated. Access to the multiple option super term, life insurance products, income replacement assurance, and Everest Memorial Solution designed by the country's top insurance provider, Manila Bankers Life. Free investment seminars. Invest in mutual funds at 0% entry fees exclusively to IMG members. Access to stocks online trading platform, MyTrade. Access to special rates from Palawan Pawn Shop. Increase your savings with these exclusive discounts. Save your money on your car, fire, travel, personal accident insurances, through Vault Assurance, an IMG brand. Exclusive member savings on real estate purchases. Special discounts on memorial lots and interment packages. Exclusive member discounts on special courses to keep you abreast of the evolving technology and ever-changing industry. Convenience and peace of mind with our 24/7 memorial concierge service, providing assistance to help the family arrange the best but most reasonable funeral for their loved one. Protect your assets by creating your own corporation through Asset Preservation Service. Combine huge savings and personalized assistance to enjoy a hassle-free car purchase experience with our exclusive IMG Auto program. Be in the financial industry. Become debt-free, help families achieve financial success, and get the income you want from your own business in the elite financial industry. Experience the world's wonders on your vacations, cruises, and conventions through IMG's Travel Rewards program. Qualify for the exclusive and world-class IMG Recognition Awards. Free HMO coverage for marketing directors, senior marketing directors, and executives. Get the member support you need. The most powerful members portal available anytime, anywhere. Domini2, the best digital marketing platform for IMG members. Know the latest IMG updates, news, runs, and reminders through the exclusive newsletters and emails. Mura Cash e-wallet facility for IMG international transactions. It allows members to conveniently receive commissions and IMG payments, transfer funds, pay bills through the kiosk, and request check for pickup at IMG office. It's accessible anytime, anywhere. International members exclusive benefits. Exclusive money platform. Exclusive events. Exclusive runs and contests. Worldwide protection for international members. Accidental death benefit worth 500,000 pesos. Burial benefit worth 100,000 pesos. Accidental medical reimbursement benefit worth 100,000 pesos. Benefit that protects you from acts of terrorism worth 600,000 pesos. Benefit that protects you from unprovoked murder and assault worth 600,000 pesos. Accidental disablement benefit worth 500,000 pesos with additional feature of repatriation service. Accidental disablement benefit worth 500,000 pesos. The possibilities awaits you here in IMG.
Narinig niyo po ba or walang sound the whole video? Uulitin ko. Joke lang po. Joke lang. So, I believe may sound naman siya kasi naka-share sound naman siya. Okay? So, ayan. So, thank you so much po. No? So, I think, ayan, that's the benefit of becoming an IMG member. Napakarami, di po ba? So, anong gagawin natin because of this benefit? And lifetime pa yung provided na education and guidance sa iyo as an IMG member. So, with all of this, how can you go wrong in joining IMG? Diba? Dami-daming benefits. Kaya, we encourage you, no? Once you become part of IMG, you will have access to all these companies, di ba? You will represent these companies. Pagdating sa healthcare, meron tayong Kaiser, ayan yung mga kapartner natin. Life insurance, Manila Bankers Life, Fidelity Life, investment, under Rampur Financials, yan ang partner natin pagdating sa mutual fund. And My Trade, pagdating sa tawag dito, direct trading. And real estate, no? So if you want to acquire real estate, house in lot, di ba? Ganyan. So, pwede tayong mag-direct na. Or you can also become a broker of this real estate companies. You can repair a friend kung may naghahanap, di ba? So, at least you can still earn from referrals. Ganun siya. So, general insurance naman, yan. Kailangan natin ng insurance sa mga non-life. Under this, pwede tayong mag-direct. And allied services, under IMAX, di ba? We want to create corporation, tutulungan tayo ni IMAX. And Everest Kaiser, also on registered financial planner of the Philippines. So yan po, if you really want to go deeper sa financial industry, you can become a registered financial planner. So may exam po tayo para dyan. Okay, so meron din tayong iCare. So yan. And then, of course, isa ito sa mga privilege natin, no? Become in the financial industry through entrepreneurship. You can become your own money manager and become a business owner as well by your own time, di ba? You can become part-time and full-time. So paano natin magagawa yan? Siyempre, you have to become an associate of IMG, no? You will build your own business worldwide. Ang purpose nito is kung gipit ka sa finances mo ngayon, you can earn additional income, di ba? So what if you earn 50,000 na extra income? Masaya ba yon? Di ba? So saan mo gagamitin yan? So pwede natin ipang shopping yan, di ba? At least hindi na siya magmumula doon sa sa income, yung active income mo. Then shopping sa investment, di ba? Sa PSE dahil napakamura ng mga ngayon shares, no? Number of shares, naka-sale ang stock market. So kapag sale, 'di ba? Sa mall kapag sale, marami tayong nabibili. So ganun din sa stock market. Kapag naka-sale ang stock market, the more na mas marami tayong mabibiling shares at in the future mag-accumulate yung mga 'yan, mas magiging mayaman, 'di ba? So no quota, no selling, and you can start part-time and then become full-time as well, 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo ginugol natin yan na maging magkaroon ng sariling business, di ba? Napakaganda ng business opportunity ng IMG dahil nakakatulong tayo sa ibang tao on how they can prepare as well. So become your own money manager, create your solid financial foundation through the platform of IMG. You can do the business opportunity and get the right environment, di ba? You need a cash flow, do the business, and be in the environment para madisiplina ka rin. And healthcare protection. So yan, Kaiser ang partner natin yan. Life insurance, MB Life, pay off debt, do the business opportunity para may extra income ka, di ba? So emergency fund, create emergency fund. You can put your investment or your money in the short-term investment or short-term vehicles, yung mga bond fund natin na naglalas ng at least may lock-in period siya na 1 to 3 years or 6 months, I think, yung pinaka minimum hoarding, kumbaga ganon. So, yan, at least makukuha natin siya kaagad at hindi bumababa yung value kasi may pa rin siya. May mataas pa rin siyang interest rate than the bank. And the investment, you want to add additional investment, marami tayong option. So in IMG, you can build up your solid financial foundation faster. Di ba? So lahat yan, pinoprovide na. So ang kailangan natin gawin, become an IMG member. Lifetime membership na po yan once you become an IMG member. You can choose which preferred membership ang gusto mo. No? So if you are Philippine-based, 5,500 ang membership natin. And after signing up for your membership, then start to build up your solid financial foundation with our partner na Kaiser 3-in-1. Okay, so sa international naman po, that's around 10,000, more or less 10,000 kasi mas malaki po ang privilege or mga benefits as an IMG member international. And reminders lang po, we also have annual renewal dahil po tayo ay highly regulated ng financial industry. Kaya tayo po ay may renewal ng license, accreditation na tinatawag. So 1,500 pesos per year, napakaliit na halaga po niyan kung tutuusin, di ba? Sa laki ng benefits na ibibigay sa atin, huwag na nating panghinayangan ang 1,500 na renewal dahil lahat po ng license ay nire-renew. Driver's license, di ba? Basta license, yun na yun. Ang hirap isa-isahin. Diba? So, get started, join with your preferred membership, and start to build up your solid financial foundation with our recommended 3-in-1 Kaiser. And bakit natin siya nire-recommend, no? So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaunawa, bakit natin automatic nire-recommend ang Kaiser? Dahil si Kaiser ay 3-in-1. Sa solid financial foundation natin, ayan na po, sinasagot niya na yung healthcare protection, life insurance, and investment. At actually, may bonus pa po yan. Pwede rin po yan maging emergency fund kung medical crisis, di ba? A medical emergency. So, just in case may magkakaroon ng karamdaman na pwede nating igarantiya yung ating policy. Okay, so share and earn. Number 3 step, don't sell. So hindi po tayo dito mga mga nagbebenta ng insurance. Hindi po tayo mga benta-benta, okay? So ang ginagawa po natin is to educate them. I-help po natin sila na matutunan na mahalin ang kanilang sarili, di ba? Kasi actually hindi natin po proteksyonan yung sarili kasi natin kung hindi natin mahal yung mga nakapaligid sa atin eh. At saka yun ang sinasabi ko, sila yung mga tao na hindi nagiging interest kasi parang pati sa sarili nila nawala na sila ng value, di ba? So tulungan natin sila na maunawaan na malaki ang value na dapat binibigay nila sa sarili nila dahil sila ang breadwinner. Okay, number 4, increase cash flow and build a solid financial foundation fast. So if you do an extra income, you can add to your healthcare short-term and add additional to your stock market, life insurance, and pay off debt. Diba? So at least yung mga ilalagay natin dyan, hindi na magmumula doon sa ating regular na salary. Okay? So yan, very productive. Lahat ng perang malilikom natin. Alright? So once you become an IMG member, magkakaroon po kayo ng sariling monitoring sa inyong mga sinimulang investment. Ganyan po ang itsura niyo. Okay? So, start now. Huwag na nating palipasin pa or huwag na nating sayangin mga opportunities na yan. No? Whether you're ready or not, we grow older every day. Our children grow older every day. Our parents grow older every day. And what if, di ba? So, marami ka ng taon na sinayang. This is the second best na dapat kang nag-move forward. What if 10 years from now, you wake up and you realize you accomplished nothing. You started nothing. So, baka mapapakanta ka na lang palagi ng sayang na sayang talaga. Di ba? So, a journey with 1,000 miles begins with one step. Sabi ni Lao Tzu. Wala tayong mararating kung hindi tayo magsisimula or wala tayong matatapos kung wala tayong sisimulan. Okay? So all great things and ventures have a starting point. Diba? So yan, This is the second best kasi tomorrow is not a promise, di ba? Maraming bukas na pwedeng dumating but we don't know what will happen. Kaya this is the best time to start and also take action. No, whatever we learn in here, apply. So procrastination is one of the main causes of failure, and procrastination is the manifestation of lack of discipline. Ito yung mga taong saka na lang, hindi pa nila nakikita yung mga dapat na i-priority sa kanilang buhay. We need the right environment to solve this discipline issue. So be with the right environment. And the right environment is of course IMG, diba? So right environment, right people, right opportunity. So lagi ka lang sa right, okay? So financial independence is not a dream. Sabi nga dyan, yung dreams daw ay para lang sa mga taong natutulog. Okay? So if you want to make it in reality, take action, gising, and make a decision to make a difference. Okay? So yan. If you're born for, it's not your mistake, but if you die for, it's your mistake. Sabi po yan ni Bill Gates, hindi ako. Okay? So ako to. Ito, ako na to. Thank you. Thank you. See your trainer to help and guide you in every step of the way. So nandito lang po kami para i-guide kayo sa mga concerns and more learnings na pwede namin mai-input sa inyong lahat. Okay? So thank you so much sa mga attendees natin, and we'll see you around in our community. Looking forward na makita namin kayong lahat sa community na ito. Okay? So you can reach out here. This is my Facebook page, no? So you can support me by liking this page. Iyan. And of course, my email as well. Iyan, ang email ko. If you want to know more or may mga questions kayo, you want me to help you more about our mission and deeper about IMG, yan, pwede niyo po akong i-reach out. Right? So thank you so much once again and have a great day everyone. Advance Happy New Year sa ating lahat. Sasabihin ko sana Merry Christmas. Okay? So Happy New Year sa ating lahat. Let's welcome 2023 with a prosperous mind. Okay? So good luck and have a great day everyone. Ayan, Happy New Year to all. Ma'am Sarah. Nag-iba yung mukha pag palit ng taon, no? Oh, mag-picture tayo para may remembrance tayo. Okay? Sana yung mga pwedeng dyan, mag-open. Open? Pasko ka pa? Pasko pa sa inyo? Pasko pa ba sa inyo? Merry palagi, no? Merry, merry. Celebrate tayo ng maaga. Cheers, kampay. Happy po. Happy New po sa lahat. Happy New po, sabi ni Ma'am Jocelyn. Yan, ang dami nating mga komentor, hindi ko na binasa kanina. Bahala kayo dyan. Sabi na may son. Okay. You're welcome. I'm ending the meeting now. Bye. Hindi nakikita yung kaway kong pang Miss Universe. Bye. Bye.